Hey guys, what's up? So today we are doing my monthly favorites. This is my favorite video to share with you guys, to film, because I'm literally sharing with you guys the products that I think are so amazing and so wonderful that I think you should write down, and if you are interested in it, you think it'll work for you, to go check it out. So I hope you guys are excited. I did do this whole makeup look tutorial in a video, so it will be coming up very, very soon if you're interested. So if you do want to see that video and you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that tiny little notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I do upload a video. It will go straight into your notification feed and you will see me, your subscription feed, and you'll see me every single time I upload a video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell. So let's just get started. I have a bunch of different favorites. I have some body wash, some skincare, some hair, some makeup, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. These are all products that I've been loving all month long and that I've been using on camera, off camera, every single day. I've been recommending to people. So this is completely honest. I love these to death and I'm gonna share them with you. Okay, so first things first, this is like my #1 favorite thing in the whole wide world right now. And this is the Olay Fresh Outlast Cooling White Strawberry and Mint Body Wash. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm someone, and I'm sure some of you guys are like this too. I'm someone that I don't really care much about my body washes. Like if it works, it works. If it cleans, it cleans. I'm not like, I don't notice a difference between body washes, and I don't really care much. I'm just like, whatever, it smells good when I'm at the store in the process of buying it. Oh, that's cool. But I'm not like obsessing over it in the shower. I'm not just like smelling it throughout the day. I don't really care. So if you're like that, try this product. Please, it will change your life. So like I said, I'm not a body wash person. I don't really give a rat's hoot about it, but when I started to use this, it changed my perspective. I'm in love with this. I want to use this every day for the rest of my life. It smells so good, and it doesn't just smell good in the shower. Like, it makes the whole shower room, my bedroom, everything smells so delicious, like strawberries, but like a delicious strawberry. Because when I first saw this, honestly, I got this in a pack. Okay, let me tell you guys, story time. I got this at BJ's wholesale, and I got it in a pack of 3. And my husband's like, well, which one do you want to use first? And I'm thinking like, let's use the crappiest one first so that we can kind of get rid of that one and go to the other good ones. So I kind of smelled them all. I'm like, this smells good. Let's use this one. This one smells good. Let's use this one. I mean, strawberries, like, okay. You guys, this is the best body wash in the whole world. It smells so amazing, so good. And it literally lasts on my skin all day long. Like, at the end of the night, I can still smell it on myself. My husband can smell it. I can smell it on him because he uses it. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it smells so amazing and it lasts so good on the skin. It leaves your skin feeling really soft and moisturized, and it really does last all day. And I'm so surprised. This is the first time using Olay's products, and I love the scent of this one. And I'm so sad because they don't, I need to find it. I need to find it and just stock up on this because I love it so much. I'm like halfway through. So it's white strawberry and mint, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's not obnoxious at all. My husband loves it. I love it. This one is like the favorite of the month. Like, I love this so much. All right, let's move on to hair. So this little baby, I've talked about it before. It's the 10 Miracle Silk Hair Mask. I love this so much. My hair is pretty damaged. My hair is pretty dry, and this is just such a good hair mask. And it does smell really terrific. I do think that it's worth the price, you guys. Also, I have been using it a little bit different lately, okay? Because I still feel like even using this, like, my hair was still kind of getting dry because my hair was so damaged, like so incredibly damaged that it still wasn't doing enough. So what I started to use is use a tiny bit on my entire hair, like this much, because I have a lot of hair, on my entire hair, and then I literally leave it in. I do not wash it out. I leave it in, and oh my gosh, my hair is super silky smooth. It's not frizzy. It just looks amazing, and it's all because of this little baby. Like, if this isn't enough, if your hair is just over the top damaged and just using this and rinsing it out isn't enough, try leaving a little bit of it in your hair, and it's just going to make your hair look so much better, feel better, and just less frizzy, just less damage. This is just a really good mask, all in all. All right, skincare and then makeup. So this has been the highlight skincare product of the month. I used this last month and I was impressed. So this is the Biovene Barcelona Charcoal Magnetic Mask. It recharges, purifies, and revitalizes. It has active charcoal. It has iron, vitamin E, and lavender oil, and more. It's 99% natural, and basically it's a purifying mask. And I've used a lot of purifying masks, and I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan because I have dry skin, and I feel like purifying masks dry me out even more. But this one, you guys, if you have dry skin, this is the mask for you. Even if you don't have dry skin, this one is still the mask for you. But especially if you have dry skin, this is the mask for you. So it comes in a kit, and I'm gonna do a full review, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. I will be doing a video like that very, very soon, but it comes like this, and it has a little spatula, it has a little magnet, and here is the mask itself. You guys, this is so amazing. When I took this mask off, it leaves like a serum that you kind of smooth into your skin and just leave all day. My skin, and I'm not being dramatic, you guys, again, I'm one that if I don't see an immediate difference, I'm probably not going to continue to use it. And after I used this, I'm not even kidding, my skin looked so plump. And I know a lot of people say, oh, this looks plump, this makes my skin look plump. I was one of those people that I would look at those videos and say, plump, what does that mean? What does that mean you're gonna look plump? Well, now I know what it means, because this little baby made my skin look plumpy, smooth, just healthiness. Like, you can tell my skin looked healthy, very, very smooth. It did purify my skin without leaving my skin dry. Like, it left my skin so hydrated, so beautiful. I'm not even kidding, you guys. I love this so much, and it doesn't surprise me. Biovene always comes out with the best masks. Some of my favorite masks come from Biovene because they're just so amazing with their masks. But this charcoal one, man, it is so awesome, so good. So if you haven't tried this, you can find this at Walmart, you guys. This is very, very affordable. You don't need to spend a bunch of money on your masks. Biovene has some of the best masks ever, and they're so affordable. You can find them at Walmart. I'll link them below. Let's get to some makeup. So let's start with some eyeshadow palettes. These two have been my favorite for the whole month. I love these so much. So first, this is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I said I was gonna do a kind of review, swatch, makeup look demo with this palette. Are you guys interested in that? Are you guys interested in that? Let me know in the comments. Tell me, do you guys want me to do a review, swatch, and makeup tutorial using this palette? I love this so much. The colors are so beautiful, and I specifically love Still Shot. This peachy color, I live for that. It is so beautiful. They're all really smooth. There's wonderful shades of metallic. There's mattes. You can create multiple looks. You can travel with this. You can create natural looks. You can create fun looks. It has their pops of color. It's just, I love this so much. It has a huge mirror. It's super compact and sturdy and thin, perfect to travel with. I love this Instagram collage that they kind of did. It's just such a beautiful palette. I can't say enough about this. I love this so much. And then this one, the Zodiac Palette. I did a review, I did a tutorial, and I love this. Again, this is such a gorgeous palette. Everything's really smooth. I love the oranges and the golds, and I love this color, the Libra. The Libra is like the most used shade that I use in here. I literally just sweep it all over the place every day. for no apparent reason, I just sweep it on all over the lid. Like, I just love it so much. And all these shades are really beautiful. I love Capricorn, how it has like glitter in the black. This is just a really good palette and a really good thought out palette that I really recommend. It's really affordable. You should check that out. Okay. So because I did get the whole Zodiac collection, I have been using it all month long. At first testing out for the review, but then from choice because I really loved it and I really continue to use it. Especially this one. This is the Super Shock Cheek on the Cusp. This is not what I'm wearing, you guys. Sorry, I filmed another video. I had to kind of like pop videos out. But this is the On the Cusp highlight. I wear this all the time. All the time. It looks wet, it looks smooth, it's beautiful highlight, and I love it so much, you guys. It's such a good highlight, and very small, soft. This is just a really good, affordable highlight. Oh my gosh, it just makes your skin look so wet. I love it. And along with that collection, the Lippy. At first, I wasn't into it, but after I've been wearing it for a while, I'm kind of really enjoying it. And I've been using it like nobody's business. This is like my go-to when I don't know what to wear. This nude color, it just comes to mind. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And it kind of at first like threw me off. I think it was like the lighting in here. I had like weird lighting and it kind of threw me off and made it look like it was really cool on my lips and looked weird and odd. But no, guys, this is nice. This is very nice. I was fooled for a second, but it's nice. It's one of my favorites, and I've been reaching for this like crazy. Today I almost reached for it again today for one of the makeup tutorials I was doing, and I was like, you know what? I need to use something different because I've been using the same thing. But I didn't really use anything different because this is another lippy that I have been using like nobody's business. And this is what I have on today. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Verona. I've been using this so much ever since I got this in my BoxyCharm. It's just such a pretty color. It's what I have on. And oh my gosh, like it's such a rich brown that just looks beautiful and just gorgeous. And I love the formula because it really is long lasting. Ofra does such a good job with their long lasting liquid lipsticks. I'm not even kidding. I'm never concerned that if I kiss my husband, it's gonna come off on him. Like, I'm never concerned about that because these are just so good. So there you go. There's another favorite for you. Here we go with favorites. These are the oldest favorites ever. So first off, this is the Romand blush. This is the blush duo, and this is like I think it's a Korean brand, something like that. I'm not sure. It's an Asian brand. I love it, and I've been mixing these two shades and particularly using this, and every time I do, I put it on my cheek, I put it on my forehead. I really do like the blown out corally pinky look, and these are just so nice. They're so pigmented, they're so soft. You have a kind of a warmer corally pink and then a cooler pink, and then mixed together are really pretty, or them separate are really pretty. So I've kind of been gravitating towards that because, again, I'm still obsessing over pink eyes, pink blush, pink lips. Like, it's kind of my obsession right now. So I'm loving this one, and I actually did a makeup look using this blush, this lippy, on my Instagram. I should have filmed that, but I'm going to show you guys pictures so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I did like a glittery face, but that's when I realized, like, whoa, this is pretty. Like, I really like this. And then again, a Romand lipstick, and this is just boom. Boom. Like, this is such a pretty color, and I know it looks scary. It's very matte, scary, bright, but this is how I use it, you guys. I grab some on my finger and I blot it on, and it gives me the most natural looking flush on the lips ever, you guys. Like, super natural. And I know that sounds crazy, but it really does, and it gives me just a beautiful flush. So this is always on my vanity. I have to have it because it's just such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, I love this. Such a beautiful texture, and it dries down. It has like the most beautiful finish that it dries down and sinks into your skin and literally looks like just your lips. Just your lips, your matte lips. Like, it just looks so beautiful. So I love this lipstick. These two are favorites that have been favorites for months and months and months. I don't know if I talked about them last month, but they have just been my loves. So this is a Sigma liquid pen eyeliner in Wicked. This is what I use to do my wing every single day, and today it's just such a good pen. I will link it below, you guys. I love this. Whenever I run out, I'm gonna go get another one because it's just such a good pen. And I just kind of sit these on my vanity like this. I don't really put them up or down or anything. I just find that laying them flat is the best way. And then this is the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. I got the shade Spiked. I love this. I love this. You guys, I recently did a tutorial showing you guys how to get really natural, micro-bladed looking brows using this, because it has such a fine tip and it really does make you look like you have hair. And I have lots of bald spots, so I need something that really does look like hair, and this is 10 times better than any brow gel out there. If you guys haven't tried this, give it a try. If you have very full brows already, this probably isn't for you. But if you need something that looks very hair-like, this is for you. It's so amazing. It's so good. I love it so much. And I'm someone who I never spend a lot on brows. Like, I will get drugstore brow pencils all the time because I feel like brows is something you go through a lot, and they're just brows. Like, I'll spend money on something else, but this one is totally worth it. And it's actually been lasting me a long time because you don't need a lot of it, because you just do a couple of flicks and it creates those hair-like strokes and you don't need to go crazy on it. So it's been lasting me a whole lot longer than any of my eyebrow pencils ever did. Last thing that kind of surprised me that I love, but I do. This is the Sigma lip gloss in Tint. They do not have this anymore. I don't know if it's discontinued, if it's sold out, but I wanted to mention it, to be honest with you guys, because they do have some really good lip glosses. But this one, holy moly, it is so beautiful. It is sticky, but it gives you like the most luscious lip color ever. Beautiful glossiness. I've been using it like crazy in tutorials every day. Just so beautiful. I love this so much, and it just is, it's like it's a perfect tinted lip color. So if I can find it, I will link it for you guys, but I just wanted to give it a little mention because I love it so much. It was so good. I wish I would have gotten some extra ones. That's it. That's basically everything that I have to share with you guys in my favorites. Hopefully you guys can find something in here that you think is interesting, that you kind of are interested in, or it's just kind of fun to educate yourself with the cool products that are actually wonderful at the store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a like if you like my favorites videos, and don't forget to subscribe and to hit that little notification bell. I love you guys. Thank you so much. You guys have seriously made my month terrific. All of your comments and your sweet love, and just I feel like I'm really starting to get to know you guys and become friends, and I love that. I really want this to be a really friendly, positive little community, and you guys have just been so amazing. Also, I want to give you guys a specific thank you because I reached 7,000 subscribers, and that was kind of my goal for a while. Okay, reached 7,000 subscribers, and I can't believe that I've done it, you guys, that you guys have done it, that you guys have been interested enough in my videos to hit that subscribe button. And it's just so amazing and just so wonderful, and I'm so thankful, and you guys are so great. Please, please, please don't be shy. Comment below, tell me about you, start up a conversation with me. I want to talk with you guys. I want to get to know you guys, and I'm just so grateful that you guys are so amazing, and that you have subscribed, and that you want to hear from me, that you're interested in the things I'm showing you, and that we have the same interests. It's kind of really fun. So I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, you guys, and just continue to just be awesome. You guys make such a difference every single day, and I love it. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I can't even stop saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But I guess I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.